Hello everyone, welcome to Englicia. In this video, we're going through 50 super common English nouns that you will hear and use every single day. For every noun, we're going to give you simple phrases where that noun is used. So, get ready to grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started.
House. House.
My house is big and beautiful. My house is big and beautiful.
Car. Car.
I drive my car to work every day. I drive my car to work every day.
Book. Book.
This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting.
Table. Table.
The food is on the table. The food is on the table.
Chair. Chair.
Please sit on this chair. Please sit on this chair.
Dog. Dog.
The dog is sleeping under the tree. The dog is sleeping under the tree.
Cat. Cat.
My cat likes to play with a ball. My cat likes to play with a ball.
Phone. Phone.
I can't find my phone. I can't find my phone.
Computer. Computer.
I use a computer for my job. I use a computer for my job.
Bag. Bag.
My bag is on the floor. My bag is on the floor.
Door. Door.
Someone is knocking on the door. Someone is knocking on the door.
Window. Window.
He opened the window to get some air. He opened the window to get some air.
Floor. Floor.
The floor is very clean. The floor is very clean.
Water. Water.
We drink a lot of water every day. We drink a lot of water every day.
Food. Food.
The food tastes really good. The food tastes really good.
Friend. Friend.
My best friend lives near me. My best friend lives near me.
Family. Family.
I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my family.
Job. Job.
He got a new job last week. He got a new job last week.
Money. Money.
I don't have enough money today. I don't have enough money today.
Work. Work.
I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock.
Time. Time.
What time is it now? What time is it now?
Day. Day.
Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day.
Night. Night.
The stars are bright at night. The stars are bright at night.
City. City.
London is a very big city. London is a very big city.
Street. Street.
I live on Green Street. I live on Green Street.
Shop. Shop.
Let's go to the shop to buy some fruit. Let's go to the shop to buy some fruit.
Market. Market.
The market is full of people. The market is full of people.
Teacher. Teacher.
Our teacher is very kind. Our teacher is very kind.
Student. Student.
Every student must do homework. Every student must do homework.
School. School.
My school is near my house. My school is near my house.
Language. Language.
English is an international language. English is an international language.
Music. Music.
I love listening to music. I love listening to music.
Movie. Movie.
That movie was so funny. That movie was so funny.
Game. Game.
Let's play a game together. Let's play a game together.
Bed. Bed.
I sleep in my bed at night. I sleep in my bed at night.
Clothes. Clothes.
My clothes are in the wardrobe. My clothes are in the wardrobe.
Shoes. Shoes.
These shoes are too small for me. These shoes are too small for me.
Paper. Paper.
Write your name on the paper. Write your name on the paper.
Pen. Pen.
I need a pen to sign this document. I need a pen to sign this document.
Light. Light.
Turn off the light before you leave. Turn off the light before you leave.
Room. Room.
This room is clean and quiet. This room is clean and quiet.
Air. Air.
The air is fresh in the morning. The air is fresh in the morning.
Child. Child.
The child is playing outside. The child is playing outside.
People. People.
Many people like to travel. Many people like to travel.
Story. Story.
That story made me laugh. That story made me laugh.
Rain. Rain.
I like the sound of the rain. I like the sound of the rain.
Sun. Sun.
The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly.
Coffee. Coffee.
I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning.
Bottle. Bottle.
I always carry a water bottle. I always carry a water bottle.
Breakfast. Breakfast.
We have breakfast at 8 a.m. We have breakfast at 8 a.m.
Great job, everyone! Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more lessons.